What's stupid? The golden ratio is stupid. Golden ratio is beautiful, of course, but I am doing some research on creating a planner for interior design. I want it to be like foolproof, so like you can pick it up and you can decorate your house and make it gorgeous. I already have a shopping guide which tells you what to buy according to your interior design personality type, and you can find that and the quiz in the link in my bio. The quiz tells you what personality type you are. Thinking about my sister, okay? She is the most amazing person in the entire world, but she does not know how to do anything with interior design. She does not have the eye. Like, she'll put something up on the wall and I'll be like, okay. I really hope she doesn't watch this because she's amazing and I love her. Like, okay, how would I teach her to see what I see? So I look up the golden ratio, right? And apparently that is the trick. But literally, you go online to look up how to use the golden ratio and it's just like, kind of use it as a guide. And then I'm like, okay, how do you use it as a guide? Like, how do you do that? And I have yet to find a simple explanation on how to use the golden ratio in interior design. It doesn't make any sense. So I'm going to crack this golden ratio code. I'm going to figure out how to make it practically apply so that anybody can use it. Maybe it's impossible. Maybe that's why it hasn't been done, but